Welcome to our web-based platform. Let's take a look around. It has 5 main sections: account information, markets and prices, the chart panel, patterns and signals, and your trading activity. To get started, click the Deposit button to fund your account or make a withdrawal. To deposit funds by credit card, select your account number, enter the deposit amount, and choose a previously used card or register a new one. Depositing funds by Skrill or bank transfer is easy. Click Choose another payment method and follow the instructions. Withdrawals are straightforward too. Just click Withdraw Funds and follow the prompts. To navigate markets, use the menu tree or the market search box. You can click and drag columns to rearrange them. The drop-downs on each allow you to switch on extra columns like the high and low for the day. This drop-down in the market listing gives you access to more options like Market Info, allowing you to view full contract details and trading times. Organising your preferred markets into watch lists is simple. To create a new watch list, you select a market, choose Add to Watch List, and then select Create Watch List. To switch between lists, use the Watch List tab. There are 2 ways to open a trade ticket. Either click the Trade button next to a market or double-click the market name. First, set the trade size. You can also attach a stop or a limit order to your position or even set a trailing stop. Then execute the trade by clicking Buy or Sell. You'll receive on-screen confirmation once your trade has been accepted. Placing a new order is just as easy. Click the Order button or select the Order to Open tab of the trade ticket. Next, specify the trade direction, the size, and your desired entry level. At this point, you can also set up an expiry rule. Again, you'll be given on-screen confirmation once everything is complete. For even faster access, switch to the one-click trading view and your market list becomes a set of mini trade tickets. Click any market name to view a powerful HTML5 chart, plus available patterns and trading signals for that market. You can see the full research behind each pattern or signal by clicking Details. You can also click the Advanced Chart icon to access the Advanced Charting package from IT Finance. Both packages and their comprehensive range of technical indicators are completely free of charge. The platform's menu puts these handy features at your fingertips. Full research packages from Trading Central and Auto Chartist. Real-time audio news on key market events. A detailed economic calendar and our daily market briefings. The bottom panel is where you monitor trading activity. Open Positions lets you see the live performance of your open positions, their trade price and size, current price, profit or loss, order levels and more. Clicking Aggregated gives you an aggregated view of multiple positions on the same market. Click the Close button next to any market under Open Positions to bring up a ticket with the trade required to close your position. Clicking Amend adds stop or limit orders to your position or lets you adjust existing stop or limit levels. All active orders can be checked using the Opening Orders tab. Any order can be amended or cancelled easily. The Statement button lets you review your account history, or to download a record of the last 90 days, go to Order History. Meanwhile, the Account Activity tab lets you review a journal of all your actions. Along the top of the platform, you'll find your account number, cash balance, P&L, available funds, margin in use, and live valuation. This provides a live headline view of your trading performance. Every column and section can be resized, letting you create your own unique layout. You can even change the color scheme. Just go to My Account and Change Theme. The platform remembers your preferences each time you log in. Whenever you see this icon, you can tear off an element into a new browser tab. Trade tickets and charts, or even whole sections, can be used in different browser tabs. All torn-off elements will shut down when you log out of the platform. If you need assistance, simply click Support to open an instant chat with a member of our team. Enjoy your trading with InterTrader.